Welcome to Simon's Car Fix. Today we'll be showing you the oil pressure switch location for this 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. First, you're going to want to remove this engine cover out of the way. And you should see the first oil pressure switch located right over here. Here it is. This one right over here. And the second oil pressure switch location we have is located right over here. So we have one located on the left side, which is located right over here, and we have one on the right side, which is located right over here. This one.